Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to discuss important multiple choice questions on the topic algae for NEET aspirants. Hello, pond silk or water silk is the common name of Spirogyra, Ulothrix, Mucor oscillatoria. The correct option is Spirogyra. Spirogyra plants represents the neuter generation, diploid generation, haploid generation, none of the above. It represents haploid generation. Which of the following is a parasitic algae? Nostoc, Rhodomenia, Cephalurus, Polysiphonia. The correct option is Cephalurus. Spirogyra is commonly known by the name of pond scum or pond scale because Spirogyra filaments are not rough. The pectose layer of Spirogyra filaments becomes mucilaginous. The filament secretes a silky substance. The cellulose layer secretes a mucilaginous substance. The correct option is B. The pectose layer of Spirogyra filament becomes mucilaginous. Sometimes a ladder-like structure is exhibited in Spirogyra due to scaliform conjugation, lateral conjugation, direct conjugation, asexual. Correct option is scalariform conjugation. Which one of the following is an endozoic algae? Gracilaria, coelocate, Nemallion, Zoochlorulla. Correct option is Zoochlorulla. Most of the algae are aquatic, epiphytic, alpine, terrestrial. Most of them are aquatic. The basal cell by which an alga is attached to its substratum is known as intercalary cell, rhizoid, holdfast hypha. Correct option is holdfast. Among the algae, kelps are the smallest, smaller, the largest, rudimentary. Correct option is the largest. Next one of the alga can be used as food in the space flight. It is Ulothrix, Nostoc, Spirogyra, chlorella. Correct option is chlorella. Antibiotic has been extracted from Chlorella oscillatoria, Spirogyra, Ulothrix. It is from chlorella. The algae Spirogyra and Ulothrix are found in marine water, fresh water, both in sea and fresh water, on soil. Correct option, fresh water. Important feature of Spirogyra that distinguishes it from Ulothrix is its slimy nature, its size of vacuole, the structure of nucleus, its habitat. Correct option, its slimy nature. One of the distinctive feature of Spirogyra is uninucleate condition, green color, spiral chloroplast, presence of pyrenoids. Correct option is spiral chloroplast. Excuse me. Agar a common substance used in research is obtained from septate fungi, brown fungi, blue green algae, red algae. It is the red algae is the correct option. The chloroplast in Ulothrix is spiral shaped, stellate, ladder shaped, girdle shaped. It is girdle shaped. The zoospores as Ulothrix are bacillate or quadriciliate, multiciliate, quadriciliate only, none of them. It is bacillate or biciliate or quadriciliate. The main characteristics that distinguishes a Spirogyra cell from a Urothrix cell is its elongated shape, spiral chloroplast, its green color, rectangular elongated cells, and spiral chloroplast. Correct option is rectangular elongated cells and spiral chloroplast. At the time of germination of zygospore in Spirogyra, all haploid nuclei are functional. Only one haploid nucleus is functional. Diploid nucleus does not divide. Diploid nucleus divides mitotically. Second option, only one haploid nucleus is functional. Ulothrix and Spirogyra are filamentous and branched, unbranched, colonial, solitary. Correct option is unbranched. Ulothrix and Spirogyra reproduce vegetatively by fragmentation, budding, parthenogenesis, forming spore. It is fragmentation. Non-motile thin-walled spores of algae are called macrospores, microspores, aplanospores, zygospores. Correct option, aplanospores. Under certain circumstances, a generating cell forms aplanospores from mucilaginous mass, which encloses numerous small but uninucleated bodies. This is known as Pamela stage, resting stage, unciliated stage, cyst stage. It is known as Pamela stage. Heterotrichous habit means a portion of plant body in prostrate and another portion erect. Whole plant body is prostrate, whole plant body is erect and aerial, none of the above. Correct option is the first one. A portion of plant body is prostrate and another portion erect. Heterocysts are found in Oscillatoria, Chlamydomonas, Nostoc, Spirogyra. Correct option is Nostoc. Which group of algae have an incipient nucleus? Mixophyceae, Rhodophyceae, Phaeophyceae, Chlorophyceae. It is the class Mixophyceae. Redness of Red Sea is due to red color present in the sea. Trichondistrium erythrium in seawater, red algae, all the above. It is Trichodecium erythrium in seawater. Water bloom is generally caused by bacteria, green algae, hydrilla, blue-green alga. Water bloom is caused by hydrilla. Hormogonia are the vegetative reproductive structures of Chlamydomonas, Spirogyra, Oscillatoria. The correct option is Oscillatoria. In which of the following plants, isogamy, anisogamy, and oogamy, all are found? Chlamydomonas, Oscillatoria, Eulothrix, Spiro. Correct option is Chlamydomonas. On germination, each zygospore or Spirogyra divides meiotically into four, but the number of filaments produced is 4, 2, 3, 1. Correct option is 1. Nucleus in Spirogyra is suspended in the cell with the help of chloroplast, vacuoles, cytoplasmic strands. None. It is by cytoplasmic strands. More common type of conjugation in Spirogyra is terminal, direct lateral, indirect lateral, scalariform. It is scalariform. Most of the algae, along with other submerged plants, usually float on water during the daytime, while they sink at night because they become comparatively light due to the loss of food material during respiration. They become buoyant by virtue of accumulation of oxygen as a result of photosynthesis. They come up to receive sunlight. They become lighter in weight, as in the fish and the other aquatic animals utilize their parts as a food. The correct option is B. They become buoyant by virtue of accumulation of oxygen as a result of photosynthesis. Choose the correct statement about Spirogyra. Filaments showing scaliform conjugation are always homothallic. Filaments with lateral conjugation are always homothallic. Filaments with lateral conjugation may be homothallic. Asexual reproduction occurs by zoospore. Correct option is B. Filaments with lateral conjugation are always homothallic. Now the next one is, which is not the characteristic feature in Spirogyra life history: isogamous conjugation, fragmentation, zoospore formation, echinete formation. It is the zoospore formation. Each chloroplast in Spirogyra bears an indefinite number of pyrenoids, a definite number of pyrenoids, only single pyrenoid, no, an indefinite number of pyrenoid. Which of the following plants does not have archegonium? Funaria, Cycas, Pteris, Spirogyra. Correct option is Spirogyra. What is the reserve food material in algae? Cellulose, starch, glycose, and fat. Correct option is starch. Which is not likely to be found on seashore? Green algae, brown algae, red algae, moss. It is the moss. Eulothrix produces quadriflagellate microzoospore, biflagellate microzoospores, quadriflagellates, microzoospores, all of the correct option, all of the above. Blue-green algae which live in protozoans are called cyanophage, bacteriophage, cyanelle, plasmid. Correct option is cyanelle. The thread-like body of nostoc filament without mucilage sheath is called hyphae, trichome, colony, mycelium. Correct option is trichome. Iodine is obtained from Laminaria, Polysiphonia, Spirogyra, Cara. It is from Laminaria. Iodine is obtained from brown algae, green algae, red algae, yellow algae. Then comes the brown algae, which fixes atmospheric nitrogen. Blue-green alga, bacteriophage, liverwort, sphagnum. Correct option is blue-green algae. Diatoms are not destroyed easily like other algae because of siliceous wall. Siliceous wall, they are non-living. Of cellulose wall, they have a covering of mucilage. Of siliceous walls, a wall made up of silica. Type of Zygospore in Eulothrix is quadriflagellate, uniflagellate, non-flagellate, biflagellate. The correct option, quadriflagellate. Which of the following have a prokaryotic cell? Spirogyra, oscillatoria, cladophora, chlamydia. Correct option is oscillatoria. Which of the following have algal zone? Normal root of cycus, root of pinus, coralloid root of cycus, rachis of cycus. It is the coralloid root of cycus. The next one, agar agar is obtained from alva, sargassum, eulothrix, Ziladium. Correct option is Ziladium. The largest alga is Alva microcyst, Cara macrocystis. Correct option is macrocystis. Red snow is caused by which of the following in alpine region? Oscillatoria, Batrachosperm, Hematococcus, Sargassum. Correct option is Hematococcus. Zygote of which divides meiotic division? Algae, Pteridophyta, Bryophyta, Gymnosperm. Correct option is algae. All algae have chlorophyll A and B, chlorophyll B and carotenoids, chlorophyll A and carotenoids, phycobilins and carotenoids. Correct option, chlorophyll A and carotenoids. Green plants without roots, stem and leaves but with a simple, usually filamentous body are called thallus, hyphae, mycelium, corm. They are called thallus. Which of the following shows heterotrichous habitat? Stigo, Stigocolonium, Udogonium, Chlamydomonas, Eulothrix. The correct option is Stigoclonium. Meiosis of Eulothrix takes place at the time of germination of zygote, at the time of formation of zoospores in the filamentous cell, at the time of formation of gametes, at the time of fragmentation. Correct option is at the time of germination of zygote, which is found as endozoic algae in the secretory cells of Hydra, Eulothrix, Spirogyra, Zoochlorella, Nostoc. It is Zoochlorella. An alga which is rich in proteins, Eulothrix, Nostoc, Spirogyra, Chlorella. It is Chlorella. What are cyanobacteria? Myxophyceae, Mycoplasma, Myxomycetes, Schizomycetes. Correct option, Myxomycetes. The chloroplasts of Chlamydomonas are girdle-shaped, spiral-shaped, cup-shaped, reticulate. It is cup-shaped. The flagella of Chlamydomonas are whiplash type, maybe A type or B type, tinsel type absent. It is the whiplash type. The photoreceptor found at the anterior end of Chlamydomonas is stigma, eye spot, stigma or eye spot. None of the. It is stigma or eye spot. Next, which type of sexual reproduction is found in C. Dibariana? Isogamous, oogamous, and isogamous? None of them. It is isogamous. Which type of sexual reproduction is found in C. Browni? Isogamous, oogamous, and isogamous? It is anisogamous. Which type of sexual reproduction is found in C. Coccifera? Isogamous, anisogamous, oogamous? None of the. Correct option is oogamous. A sexual reproductive body of volvox is called daughter synovium, hypnospore, oospore, pamela stage. Correct option, daughter synovium. Which type of sexual reproduction is found in volvox? Isogamous, oogamous, and isogamous? All of them. It is of oogamous. Each cell of volvox colony has a structure similar to Eulothrix, Spirogyra, Chlamydomonas, Nostoc. It is the Chlamydomonas. The seaweed that form underwater forest are called kelp, alba, laminaria, polysaccharide. The correct answer is kelp. The word seaweed is used for marine algae that have large multicellular bodies, soft-bodied algae, the algae having cell walls encrusted with hard chalky deposit diatom. Correct option is marine algae that have large multicellular body. I hope mostly the things I covered. Again, we will meet in the next video with more multiple choice questions for the NEET aspirants. Thank you.